What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. In today's video, I will be running down the CVS best deals which you can get, meaning deals which you can get for either under $1 per item, freebies, or moneymakers. But before we get into that, I do just want to give you guys a couple updates. The first being that CVS will no longer be accepting returns until June 5th. So if you guys have anything that you've been wanting to return or need to return, just hang on to your product and your receipt because you will be able to do it until June 5th, but not from now until then. Now, I know that they do have a 60-day return policy, so if your 60-day return policy will lapse between now and June 5th, you have nothing to worry about. CVS will completely be honoring those returns. The other thing I want to update you guys on is that certain CVS stores, but not all of them, will be unplugging their CRTs machines, those red boxes within the store, and will no longer be accepting printed CRTs, printed coupons, printed manufacturer coupons, or insert coupons. Anything that's a paper coupon, they will no longer be accepting. And this is kind of because of the whole corona pandemic. They just don't want to be accepting any paper with the potential of there being a virus sitting on there. So if you guys want to use any of your CRTs, be sure to send them to your card digitally. Do not print them and do not go to the red box machine. Or you may not even be able to go to the red box machine. But again, this is just at some CVS stores, so you might find that your CVS store is still accepting these paper coupons and your red box is still plugged in. But just as a heads up, in case anybody is going to be shopping in store this week, I don't want you guys to go there and then be like, whoa, I can't even print my CRTs and now I'm at the cashier and they're not accepting any of my coupons. So just a little heads up there. Another thing that I want to know is I know a lot of people are not going to be going into the stores this week. So a lot of these deals I'm going to be showing are also available online. So definitely check those out while you can. And if you do go to do these deals online and they're not available, just keep going back every day or every couple hours, however often you want, and just keep checking to see if they come back in stock. CVS is really good at restocking their products when they go out of stock online. Now that we have all that out of the way, let's get into these deals. The first deal I want to get into this week is on the Loreal Cosmetics, which are on a promotion for buy two and get a $5 extra buck. So if you pick up two of these L'Oreal eyeshadows, which are priced at $6.49, that'll make your total $12.98. Now I hope you have that $3 off of L'Oreal eye CRT and a $3 off of 12 Cosmetics CRT. If you do, use those with this transaction and that'll make your out-of-pocket subtotal $6.98, but you'll get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost $1.98 or just 99 cents each. Now hopefully you have that $4 off of L'Oreal CRT, which printed for everybody last week at the red box machine. If you do, go ahead and throw that into the mix and that'll make your final cost for these free and a $2 moneymaker. This next deal is on the Garnier facial masks and they're on promotion for buy two and get a $5 extra buck. The Garnier Skin Active masks are priced at $3.19 each, so pick up two of these for $6.38. And there's no coupons for this deal, just pay $6.38 out of pocket, and you'll get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost $1.38 or 69 cents each. Another great deal on some face masks this week is on the Aveeno face masks. These are on promo for buy one get one 50% off, and these oat masks are priced at $2.99 each. So if you buy two, that'll make your total $4.48. And we don't have any coupons for this deal either. You're just going to pay $4.48 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $5 extra buck reward, making your final cost free and a 52-cent moneymaker. This next deal is one that we're all too familiar with, and that is on the CoverGirl brow pencils. These are on promo for buy two and get a $6 extra buck. So if you pick up two of these at $5.99, that'll make your total $11.98. And you're going to want to use a $3 off of 10 CoverGirl CRT. And there's also a $3 off of CoverGirl Instant Coupon printing for everybody starting this Sunday, March 29th from the red box machine. So go ahead and use both of these, and that'll make your out-of-pocket subtotal $5.98, but you'll get back a $6 extra buck reward, making your final cost completely free. For anybody who has access to insert coupons, go ahead and use two of the $3 off of CoverGirl eye coupons, which are found in the Smart Source from March 22nd, and that'll make your out-of-pocket subtotal $0, but you'll still get back that $6 extra buck, making the final cost for both of these free and a $6 moneymaker. If your store is sold out, or maybe you're just not interested in picking up the CoverGirl brow pencils, another option which you can do is to pick up the CoverGirl Professional Mascaras. These are priced at $6.49 each, so if you buy two, that'll make your total $12.98. So if you throw all those coupons I mentioned into this mix, those insert coupons, the $3 off of 10, and the instant coupon, that'll make your out-of-pocket subtotal 98 cents, but you'll get back a $6 extra buck reward, making the final cost for both of these mascaras free and a $5 moneymaker. Now, if you don't have access to those instant coupons, this is still a wonderful deal which you can be doing. Even without those instant coupons, your subtotal will be $6.98, and you'll get back that $6 extra buck reward, making your final cost for both of these mascaras only 98 cents or 49 cents each. And just so you guys know, there are so many other CoverGirl products which you can get with this deal. For example, you can get the CoverGirl eyeliners, the CoverGirl eyeshadows. There's so many other things. You can get the more expensive mascaras. Because this deal is a freebie and a moneymaker, there are just so many deals which you can get. So definitely go to your store, check out the prices, see what's available, and see what you want and or need. This next deal is on the St. Ives body wash, and just a heads up, this is a Sunday only deal. And the reason this is a Sunday only deal is because 2 of the coupons, which I have listed over here, do expire on Sunday. But anyways, these are in a promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. And when you spend 12, you'll get a $4 extra buck. So go ahead and pick up 3 of these. That'll make your subtotal $13.72. Now you're going to want to use 2 of the $1.50 off coupons found in the Retail Me Not from March 15th and one $1.50 off digital coupon. Along with this, I hope you have a $3 off of 12 body wash CRT. If you do, go ahead and throw that in. That'll bring your out-of-pocket subtotal to $6.22, but you'll get back a $4 extra buck, making your final cost for all 3 of these body washes $2.22 or just 74 cents each. Now we have a great deal on some Kellogg's cereal this week. So select cereals are going to be on sale for $1.99 each. So if you pick up 5 of them, that'll bring your total to $9.95. Then go ahead and throw in a $2 off of 8 breakfast CRT and a $3 off of 5 internet printable coupon from kellogg'sfamilyrewards.com. With both of these coupons, that'll make your final cost $4.95 for all 5 boxes or just 99 cents each. And just so you guys know, at kellogg'sfamilyrewards.com, you do need to create an account to get this coupon, and I'm not sure if this $3 off of 5 is available for everybody, but it was available for me. And if it's not available for you, I know a coupon which is available for everybody is $1 off of 2. So if you don't have that $3 off of 5 internet printable coupon available, go ahead and print out 2 of the $1 off of 2 internet printable coupons and still use that $2 off of 8 breakfast CRT, and this will make your final cost $5.95 or just $1.19 each. Another great deal we have going on this week is on the You Buy Kotex products. These are on promotion for buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and when you buy 1, you get one 50% off. So if you pick up 2 of the Barely There liners, the 18 counts, these are priced at $1.79 each. Your second one will be priced at 50% off at 89 cents. This will bring your out-of-pocket subtotal to $2.68. With no coupons, you'll still get back a $2 extra buck reward, making your final cost 68 cents or 34 cents each. And just a heads up, I know that the ad does say that there's a $1 off Send-A-Card coupon, but this $1 off Send-A-Card coupon does exclude the 14 to 22 count packages, and as you can see, we are picking up the 18 count. If you want to get a larger package, you can go ahead and use this coupon with your larger package, but just keep in mind that your final cost will be a little bit higher. And if anybody has a $2 off of 2 feminine care CRT, you are golden. Go ahead and use that, and your final cost for both of these packs of liners will be free and a $1.32 moneymaker. Another great deal we got going on this week is on the Crest Scope mouthwash. So select Crest mouthwashes are on sale for $4.99 each, and when you buy 1, you get a $2 extra buck. So go ahead and pick up 2 of the Crest Scope mouthwashes. There's going to be the 1 liter, and they're priced at $4.99 each, making your final cost $9.98. You're going to want to use 2 of the $1 off Crest mouthwash coupons available in the April P&G, which came out in this Sunday's newspaper, and 1 $2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. With both of these coupons, that'll make your subtotal out of pocket $5.98, but you'll get back a $4 extra buck, making the final cost $1.98 or just 99 cents each. And if you guys have a $1 off of 5 mouthwash CRT, just pick up 1 mouthwash and only use 1 of the insert coupons, and your final cost will still be 99 cents. Another oral care deal we have going on this week is on the Colgate toothpastes. So the Colgate totals are on sale for $3.49 each, and they're on a promotion for buy 1 and get a $2 extra buck. So if you were to pick up 4 of these, that would make your total $13.96, but there is a $5 off of 3 digital, and now I also have a $2 off of 4 toothpaste CRT and a $3 off of 12 toothpaste CRT, which can be used for this transaction. With all of these coupons, that'll make your out-of-pocket subtotal $3.96, but you'll get back a $4 extra buck reward, making the final cost for all 4 of these toothpastes completely free. We also have a deal this week on some Soif hair care. They're on promotion for buy 2 and get a $3 extra buck. So if you were to pick up 4 of these, that would make your cost $12, but you want to use 2 of the $3 off coupons from the Retail Me Not from this Sunday, March 29th. Along with these 2 coupons, you're going to want to use a $3 off of 12 hair care CRT, and that'll make your subtotal out of pocket $3, but you'll get back that $3 extra buck reward, making the final cost for all 4 of these shampoo or conditioners completely free. Now the last deal I have to share with you guys this week is an oldie but a goodie, and that's on the Paparazzi nail polish. These are on promotion for buy 2 and get a $4 extra buck. And really quick, I actually heard that these Paparazzi nail polishes are being discontinued at CVS, and that's why we are getting these promotions back to back to back on them. Just wanted to let you guys know that. But yeah, so if you picked up 2 of these, that would make your final cost $5, and some of you guys may have a $1 off of Paparazzi CRT, so go ahead and use that, and that'll make your out-of-pocket $4, but you'll get back a $4 extra buck, making your final cost free for both of these nail polishes. And for anybody who doesn't have that $1 off of CRT, this is still a great deal which you can do. Even without that CRT, your final cost will be $1 or just 50 cents each. Okay everybody, thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to watch my video and to go over these deals with me. I hope you enjoyed them. Let me know what your favorite deal is down below and whether you plan to shop in store or actually shop online this week. I'm really curious to see exactly what everybody's going to be doing. I myself am going to be doing an online deal, so if you guys want to see me do a video on an online deal, definitely let me know that as well down in the comments below. And if you like this video, show me by giving a big thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And another thing before I go, the $5 off of $25 coupon is back. So yes, if you guys want to see a $5 off of 25 deal this week, definitely let me know. I will put that together for you guys. The last couple weeks I have not done Dollar General deals because there was no $5 off of 25 coupon, and honestly the deals there are not appealing to me without that $5 off of 25 unless they're going to be a freebie deal. So if you guys are interested in a 5 off of 25 deal, let me know and I will definitely do that for you. Alright guys, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.